Come on, kiddo, let's go. Let's go. I can't go fast enough. Okay, turn towards me this way, kiddo. Now come this way. Turn this way. Now this way. Come towards me more, Berkeley. Berkeley, this way. Come on, keep coming. You're tired? We're gonna go take a break. We gotta get to the bottom first. You ready to take a break? We're gonna go get some food. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, turn towards me this way. Ah, you're doing it. You're doing so good. Whoa, you're picking up your speed. Slow down, slow down. If you're going too fast.